transcriber test at GoTranscript.
In Haitian folk belief, the dried out yolk of an egg left on an iron roof and moistened with morning dew changes to a deadly poison. After a bird is caponized, it becomes more quiet. The comb and wattles cease to grow. Caponizing is not done to increase the weight so much as to improve the quality of the flesh. All sick birds. In Haitian folk belief, the dried out yolk of an egg left on an iron roof and moistened with morning dew changes. Administer a 2% solution of sulfuric acid in water or 2 ounces of copperas dissolved in a bucket of water. A solution of permanganate of potassium in water or a strong solution of creolin may also help. Burn all chickens which die of gates. Tincture of asafoetida, a teaspoonful in a quart of water, has a curative action. Some prefer the barred rock cockerel to the black Orpington hen.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Randy's horse Silver was diagnosed with quitor, a disease of a fistulous nature on the foot, which causes pus to form and flesh to slow off. Both his fore and hind feet were affected. We tried putting wet balls of oakum in a solution of 8 drops of mercury and added a few drops of muriatic acid to dissolve the mercury. Unfortunately, lameness usually precedes the development of a quitor. In parts of Manitoba, Minnesota, Montana, and Virginia, horses are often badly infected with string halt. Swamp fever is also a problem. The mortality is so great that no satisfactory treatment has yet been developed. Sick animals must be quarantined, and their stalls should be disinfected with a solution of 6 ounces of carbolic acid, chloride of lime, or compound solution of cresol. Use a potato sprayer to diffuse the resulting liquid.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
In Belgium, toxophilia was a national tradition. The ill-fated Tsarina received from her husband a strawberry pink egg decorated with Cupid's arrows. The opening of the Trans-Siberian Railway was commemorated by a silver egg with a map of the route. Many of these eggs are of apotropaic value. Silesians thought an egg partially brooded at Easter would be better as a cure. To produce eggs, one must have healthy, vigorous stock. A scantily fed hen is a poor investment.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.